Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the phone and the TV ready. First, confirm exact ports and supported protocols so you pick the right adapter. Once done, plug the adapter into your phone and connect the HDMI cable to the TV input you verified. Make sure your phone's screen mirroring or video output option is enabled in settings, otherwise the TV won't detect a signal. If you're using casting, join both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and open the casting control on your phone. Now switch the TV to the HDMI input you plugged into and observe for any handshake message. On your phone, pick the output mode, screen mirror for exact display or external display mode for video-only output, and grant permission when prompted. If using a casting app, select the TV's name from the device list and start the stream. Adjust phone resolution and audio output if the image is cropped or sound is missing. Lowering from 4K to 1080p often resolves compatibility issues. Finish by playing a video to verify sync, audio, and correct aspect ratio. Make adjustments in display settings if necessary. If the TV shows no signal, power cycle the phone and TV, receipt cables, and try another HDMI port. Many problems are simple handshakes. If you still see nothing, use an active adapter or a powered hub because some phones need extra power for video output. One quick troubleshooting tip: test the adapter with another phone or TV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.